So we're a $25 billion smart building solutions provider. And in essence, what we've done for about 140 years is make buildings better. But in the last 4 to 5 years, we've actually helped to transform buildings through the use of AI and edge computing. And in short, it allows us to do prefabricated assets with those tools, AI and edge computing, that allows us to gather data, create a digital ecosystem, and do predictive analytics on equipment that we then obviously have installed in the building. You may know, but 40% of all of our carbon emissions is through buildings, meaning the maintenance and operating of buildings every single day. So, to the extent that we can help our clients do that, obviously it's a win for society, win for them, lower cost. For us, what it's meant is an evolution not only of our operating model and go to market strategy, but it's also meant the evolution of our workforce itself. And that gets us back to why it's important for us to be employer of choice. So, two things that are different. So, for the extent that we've been around 140 years, a big part of our success has been through our frontline technicians, our mechanics. And what they are largely have been very smart, engaged, and highly collaborative in helping our clients solve their problems. What helps them be so unique is the unique skills and traits they bring to the table. And that's been sort of the hallmark of our success. But in the last 5 years, in addition to that necessary and critical talent, we've also had to recruit for data scientists and hardware and software engineers. And to go after that talent and compete with, pick your company, your large global technology company of your choice. To compete, we have to have something that's differentiated. So we have three primary drivers. One is about being obviously recruiting and attracting the best talent in the marketplace. I think many would argue that that's critical for them as well. But as Dave mentioned, what's also important for us is being able to establish an unparalleled employee experience. And you'll see in a second, Omni has been instrumental in helping us change our game, but also elevate our service and supporting our employees. Not just because we want their lives to be easier, we want to remove a lot of the administrative burdens, free them up to really focus on either the product that we're providing or the customer to help that experience be more efficient and more effective. But third, but certainly not least, is about having that high performing and inclusive culture. And that is in part enabled by, you'll see Omni as well.